Title: The Brave Little Bird. Once upon a time, in a big green forest, lived a tiny blue bird. His name was Pico. Pico was small and shy. He could not fly very high like the others. The other birds laughed and said, "Pico, you are too small." This made Pico feel sad, but he still tried. Hot summer one year. The sun was very hot. The river dried. The ponds dried. There was no water anywhere. The deer said, "I am thirsty." The monkey said, "Where can we drink?" The elephant said, "I will find water." The elephant walked far and found nothing. All the animals were worried. Pico finds a pot. One morning, Pico saw a clay pot under a tree. Inside the pot, there was a little water, but the water was very low. Pico tried to drink, but he could not reach. And he thought, "I must try another way." He picked up a small stone and dropped it in the pot. Pop! The water rose a little. He dropped another stone. Pop! Water rose more. Stone by stone, the water came up. At last, Pico could drink. Drinking water, Pico called the animals. "Come quickly, there is water here." The deer, the monkeys, the elephant, and even the lion came. They all drank happily. The lion said, "Pico is small, but he is very clever." The animals clapped for him. Bigger journey. Soon the pot was empty. The animals became sad again. Pico said, "I will fly far. I will not stop till I find more water." He flew higher than ever before. The trees were small, the hills looked far. At last he saw a big blue lake behind the hills. Forest is saved. Pico went back and told the animals, "There is a big lake. Follow me." The monkeys jumped, the deer ran, the elephants walked, and all followed Pico. As they reached the lake, everyone drank, splashed, and played. The trees grew green again. Flowers bloomed. The forest was happy. Lesson: on that day, no one laughed at Pico. The elephant said, "You are small, but very strong." The lion said, "You are the bravest bird." Pico lifted his wings and flew high into the sky. He was proud. He was happy. Moral: even small ones can do big things if they are brave and kind.